And this is Dr. Chaffin at the course, and we had a patient that actually just dropped off a payment. All cash, all ones. Isn't that crazy? I want to actually check out my students, see how they like cash, see what the reaction is. Do you want to do implants or not? I can find a student. I know she wants a little cash. You want some green?
I want it all.
You want it all. So she's a rock star. She's amazing. All right, let's see what everybody's doing here. So we got the rooms running. Surgery 1 is done. Here's another surgery 2.
Yep, there you go. Let's give another try.
And there's Dr. Brown.
Hey, yeah, I'm having a good time on over here. Well, nice. I like that. See, that's what happens when, you start doing this.
Hey, Doc.
Hey, Doc, look at this.
You
See,
like
this
that?
is what you get, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is implant dentistry.
Yeah, this is what I do to teach my students so that they can actually get this type of flow.
It's raining in the so much. All right.
There you go.
Well, docs are all placing their first. They're all down, and they're all placing their first, and now they're on their second implant. Each on the first day, they're having a blast. So we're changing their lives and having a good time. Take care, guys. Have a good evening.